you need to understand the design. If you understand the design, you can do a far better layout, because analog layout is like a art. I mean, you do not have any predefined guidelines. The guidelines will change from circuit to circuit. You are going to design a layout, power FETs and all those things you define in a different structure, and high speed frequency circuits you define in a different structure. So, it is important to understand the schematic and understand the basic functionality, frequencies, power constraints, and we need to also understand the what are the critical nets that we have and all those things. You can identify the critical devices, optimize the minimize the crosstalk and the less impedance and all those things. It is not only important to understand the design, which will help you to do the design layout, it also helps us to debug the violations in a post layout simulation, so that we can go and easily fix the layout, so that it results in the positive or the with a high performance and all those things. Once you understand the design constraints and the design challenges or the expected what you call criticalities, you are ready to start the layout.